Namaste and welcome to Living the Yoga Sutras. 195 Sutras, 195 explorations, one day at a time. Today's Sutra is Sutra number 3 from chapter 1. The Sutra is Tada Drashtuh Svarupe Avasthanam. Let's break and chant it together. Tada Drashtuh Svarupe Avasthanam. A simple translation is, then the seer or the observer abides in their true nature. Let's understand the key words here. Tada means then. Drashtuh means the seer or the witness. Svarupa means one's own true nature. And Avasthanam means who abide, rest or remain established in. This sutra describes the natural result of yoga. When the fluctuations of the mind become quiet, we begin to experience ourselves as we truly are. Think about moments when you feel completely at ease. Not because everything is perfect in the outer world. Not because all your problems have disappeared. But because for a brief moment you feel deeply present. It could be at home with yourself or somewhere in nature. Those moments reveal something important. Peace is something we cannot manufacture. It is not something we acquire externally. According to Patanjali, peace is what remains when the constant noise of the mind settles. The seer, the witness, is always present. And yoga helps us recognize and rest in that presence. For today, we are going to reflect on this question. When do I feel most deeply at home within myself? I'll repeat. When do I feel most deeply at home within myself? Notice those moments. Notice what they reveal. Because yoga is ultimately a journey back to your own true nature. Tada Drashtuh Svarupe Avasthanam. Then the seer abides in their true nature. Namaste.